Before us, you have quadratic exponential equations. Now, the question says solve 2 to the power 2x minus 3 bracket 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 128 equal to 0. How do we solve this? Let's go. Same thing, this is same as 2 to the power 2x minus 3 bracket 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3. Remember from the laws of indices, plus 128, equal to 0. Next, we have 2 to the power x and 2 outside. Remember another law of indices, minus 3 to the power 2x, 3 bracket 2 to the power x times 8 plus 128 equal to 0. Next, this is same thing as 2 to the power x in bracket 2 squared minus 3. Let's go this way. 3 times 8 is 24 to the power 2 raised to bracket 2 raised to power x plus 128 equal to 0. The first 3 steps. Now let's continue. This is same as, let's represent this as p. Let 2 to the power x equal to p. So you have p squared minus 24p plus 128 equal to 0. How do we factorize this? What we'll do is this. This is a. Let's write b. b is minus 24p. ac is plus 128. What are the factors of 128? P square will be p and 128p. We have 2p and 64p. We have 4p and 32p. We have 8p and 16p. In fact, I will stop here. We can just continue. So, but we'll stop in here. So I think this is where it stops. Okay. But anything you talk about, we'll rather find them here. B is with negative, so the bigger part will be with negative. Negative times positive is negative. So we all have this. Which of these will give us, will add up to give you minus 24p, and will multiply itself to give you plus 128p squared? That is definitely this. We're taking this. So we have p squared minus 8p minus 16p plus 128 equal to 0. I have to shorten it here. So we have p, split them in twos, p into p minus 8 minus 16, that's the HCF of this now, p minus 8 equal to 0. Remember, if these two terms here are not the same, you know you are not correct. So the HCF there is p minus 8, and the ones outside p minus 16 equal to 0. This means that p minus 8 equal to 0, or p minus 16 equal to 0. So p equal to 8 or p equals to 16. So now let's see. When p is equals to 8, we know that 2 raised power x, because p is also 2 raised power x, equals to 8 is same as 2 raised power 3. Meaning it makes equating the powers, x is equal to 3. So let's see this. For same thing happens here. You have 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 4. It makes x to be equal to 4 if you equate powers. So this is about that. Take your time, go through it. Thank you so much. Bye.